Dear students, now we are going to deal with the phenol. Phenol was discovered by distillation of coal tar in the 19th century and it was named as carbolic acid. Method of preparation, dear student, laboratory, it can be prepared with the help of aniline, which can be converted into benzene azonium diazonium chloride, that is called BDC, with the help of NaNO2 plus HCl, and further that BDC is converted to phenol with the help of the water. So herein you have to maintain the temperature 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Now from benzene sulfonic acid, how do we prepare? The fusion of the sodium salt of benzene sulfonic acid is able to give you the particular reaction which is giving you the phenol preparation. The another preparation it is with the help of the cumin. Cumin is further created to cumin hydroperoxide, which in acidic medium gives the phenol. How do we prepare the cumin? Benzene when reacted with propyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives the benzene, gives the cumin. Okay. Physical properties, dear student, phenol is colorless, crystalline, low melting, and it is able to be in a polar molecule because OH is negative and hydrogen is positive. So because of this particular possibility of polarity, it is also soluble in water, and we can say that its boiling point is 455 Kelvin because it is able to bond the hydrogen bonding. It is able to form the hydrogen bonding. If we go for having the same molecular mass of toluene, toluene does not have the hydrogen bonding, so it does not go for having the solubility. Chemical properties of phenol. Dear student, we say that phenols are acidic in nature. How do we can say that phenols are acidic in nature? Here the points are given. Phenol turns red litmus blue. Phenol reacts with the sodium metal as our acids react with the metal. Same reaction it is given. Phenol also reacts with sodium hydroxide to give the sodium phenoxide. This all reaction proves that phenols are acidic in nature. So phenols are acidic in nature, alcohols are also acidic in nature, but which one is more acidic in nature? That is what we have to see now. Also phenol fails to react with sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate. In fact, phenol are precipitated from the aqueous solution of the sodium phenoxide by bubbling the carbon dioxide gas. So the reaction is given over here, sodium phenoxide plus carbon dioxide plus water, that gives you what we can say, phenol plus sodium hydrogen carbonate. So this is particularly given over here. Next to it, what we can say that the reactions are given. Dear student, आपका जो ऑक्सीजन कार्बन के साथ लगा हुआ है वो कार्बन बेंजीन का कार्बन है, एंड बेंजीन का कार्बन इज sp2 hybridized, means it is deficient with the electron. So what it will do, it will try to take the lone pair of the electrons of the oxygen inside because benzene ring is electron deficient. So what will be happening, hydrogen will be lost as a H plus ion. Hydrogen कैसे निकलेगा, as a H plus ion, and you are able to see the resonating structures on the basis of that. Next to it, just remember, अगर आपके बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर आपका O लगा हुआ है, OH लगा हुआ है, और उसके साथ another group है, that group may be electron withdrawing or it may be electron donating. If it is electron withdrawing, electron ले रहा है, तो your particular phenol is more acidic in nature. But if it is having the group like CH3, it is electron releasing. When it is releasing the electron, it will be less acidic क्योंकि ऑक्सीजन के पास ऑलरेडी इलेक्ट्रॉन बढ़ जाएंगे, तो वो हाइड्रोजन को बोलेगा अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन लेकर जाओ. बट अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप लग रहे हैं तो आपका ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रॉन हाइड्रोजन को नहीं ले जाने देगा. इन दिस केस हाइड्रोजन विल बी रिलीज एज a H plus ion which shows the acidic nature. Dear student, this is very important, you have to understand. Okay, phenols are soluble in aqueous solution of NaOH. That is a reaction given over here, and you are able to get the reactions. Phenol is acidic in nature. NaOH के साथ it is forming sodium phenoxide, but as a ethanols are less acidic, so it is not giving the reaction. That is what you can note down. So here it is very clearly what we can say stated that how the reactions are taking place. आपका जो फिनॉल है वो मोर एसिडिक इन नेचर है कंपेयर टू दी अल्कोहल्स. अल्कोहल्स आर नॉट दैट मच एसिडिक इन नेचर. आपको ये याद रखना है कि अगर फिनॉल मतलब बेंजीन रिंग के ऊपर OH H अगर H प्लस बन के निकलता है इट मीन्स योर फिनॉल्स आर एसिडिक इन नेचर, बट अगर H प्लस बन के नहीं निकलता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन खुद का लेके निकलता है, सो देन योर कंपाउंड इज लेस एसिडिक इन नेचर. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू सी, कैसा ग्रुप लगा हुआ है आपके बेंजीन रिंग के साथ, क्या वो इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग है या क्या वो इलेक्ट्रॉन रिलीजिंग है. अगर रिलीजिंग है तो आपका ऑक्सीजन है उस पर इलेक्ट्रॉन की डेंसिटी बढ़ जाएगी, तो वो हाइड्रोजन को फिर ऐसा नहीं बोलेगा दैट गिव द इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड गो, यू कैन टेक द इलेक्ट्रॉन, बिकॉज ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन पे चार्ज इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ जाती है. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. बट जब बेंजीन रिंग के साथ कोई ऐसा ग्रुप लगा हो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन खींच रहा हो अपनी तरफ, जैसे कि नाइट्रो ग्रुप, तो इसमें क्या होगा, बेंजीन रिंग ऑलरेडी गरीब, नाइट्रोजन ग्रुप गरीब, तो क्या ऑक्सीजन जो है वो इलेक्ट्रॉन हाइड्रोजन को देगा, नहीं देगा. सो दैट इज व्हाट हैपनिंग इट ओवर हियर. हाइड्रोजन इज गोइंग आउट एज a H plus ion and you are having the oxygen as a minus charge which is delocalizing on the benzene ring. That is what you are able to see in the picture. Now okay, you are having the compound formula and pKa value, that is your particularly pH value. Okay, orthonitrophenol 7.2, metanitrophenol that is also given, metacresol, paracresol and ethanol. These all are the particular compounds given to you. Remember, greater the pKa value, weaker is the acid. आपको पता है एसिड के जो नंबर्स होते हैं pH वैल्यू कम होनी चाहिए. अगर pH वैल्यू कम होगी तो वो मोर एसिडिक, अगर pH वैल्यू ज्यादा है तो वो वीक एसिड. दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. रिएक्शन विद जिंक ऑलरेडी गिवन, you can see to it, it gives benzene plus zinc oxide. Alkylation is there, that is a reaction of the sodium phenoxide, and along with that you are able to see you are having your methyl iodide. So anisole is prepared. Acylation, acid chloride is there in the presence of pyridine, it gives you phenyl acetate. So you can note down all these reactions in your book and one by one you can prepare it, that how the reactions are taking place. Next, रिएक्शन विद द एमोनिया. एमोनिया का एक H आपके जो फिनॉल का OH है उसको ले जाएगा, टर्निंग इट इनटू वाटर मॉलिक्यूल एंड यू विल गेट द एनिलिन. सेम वी कैन ऑल्सो हैव द रिएक्शन विद phosphorus pentachloride. So you will get the chlorobenzene, that is the chloro derivative of the benzene, and triphenyl phosphate. When you react with this particular, when you are having the ethanol plus POCl3. So these are the particular reactions. In our next topic, we are going to see with the substitution reactions in the benzene nucleus. So dear student, you can note down all the reactions in your book and you can prepare it. And still if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section.